bow form water, segment 4. Not super long, but there's just some new weird moves in there for you. We just finished with the right foot forward in that front stance at the overhead strike. The first 4 moves are kind of like a version 2 of the 4 strike that we worked on, right? I'm staying stationary with my feet for the most part, but it's different. It's going to take some getting used to. The first 2 strikes of this next 4 strikes come low high. I'm shooting my left hand out to go for their knee and then come back for a high side strike, right? The difference is going to be a little bit, I'm going to get my hips into that knee strike. I'm going to bend my back knee, get my hips into that side strike there, and then shoot it back and lock that knee back in place for the high side strike. The 3 and 4 of this 4 strike here, the version 2 version kind of, is I'm going to reverse strike, and I'm going back midsection for this. And then I just pull my right hand in over here to my shoulder and let the other side of that side strike, boom, hit there with the back end of the bow. So there's a weird kind of side to side, but it's inverted, right? So those first 4 moves again, low, high side strikes, reverse, invert. And that's going to take some practice because eventually you're going to want those to be kind of quick all together. It looks cool. From here, drop that left hand, bring it up to push to start a spin for the forward figure 8, and then you're going to do your spin overhead strike, right? So in my head, after I'm doing that, boom, boom, I think drop, push, spin, boom, and I land there, okay? Couple moves left. So we just finished here with the spin overhead strike. I'll scoot back a little bit. I'm gonna open my right hand and pull back with my left like we did in the bow form wind, where we had the little poke there for a second. But I'm gonna do 2 of them in a row. The first one's gonna happen as I'm stepping, as the transition is happening, so not a lot of power behind that. Boom, 1. Then when I land in that lunge front stance, that skinny front stance, that's when the second poke happens. So from the spin overhead strike, pull back, 1, 2, keep my feet on that straight line and just step back, shift it back to a back stance and rotation block. So that's all of segment 4. One more time from where we ended section 3, segment 3. Right, so I gotta do low, high side strikes, reverse, invert, drop, push, spin, overhead strike, pull back, poke, poke, rotation block. That's segment 4.